everybody, today is the very first destination daughter only vlog because dad is not here today. He is at work, but I'm here with my friend Tay. Sometimes she makes appearances in our videos. Today is one of those days. We are at the Victoria Park golf course to do the Christmas Putt Putt golf because Christmas is in a couple days and we're here to get into the festive spirit. It is very hot, so we have stopped in at the bistro to get some drinks first, but I will be taking you guys around on the Putt Putt course, so let's get into it. So we just decided to get some garlic bread because we did have breakfast before we came here. Any guesses at what that is? Is that some sort of cheese?
I don't know.
You know the like cheese that comes in like a ball?
Mozzarella?
No, not mozzarella. It's like softer than mozzarella. Yeah, Tay is not a cheese fan, but this, when I say this smells so good, from the minute they put it down on the table, oh my gosh. Anyways, let's go eat it. And then I also got a chocolate frappe, which looks really good because we had to walk here from the bus stop, and so we were like all hot and sweaty, so we decided to come get drinks. Anyways, we still don't know what this is. Kind of tastes tangy, but goes really well with the garlic bread. So let me try my drink. It is perfect amount of chocolate to milk ratio. I think exactly what I needed before getting my competitive putt-putt golf on. We just came out of the store. The little pay counter is there, or where they check your tickets, and we've come out here and there's a little photo opportunity, and while you're inside they give you the score book. Will we be using this religiously?
Yeah.
Apparently yes. Apparently we're being competitive today, and you pick your golf balls up inside. What? I thought you said purple.
Yeah, but then I saw the green.
You change your mind. Okay. So this is where we start, just outside here.
What are like the differences between them?
Oh, I don't know. I think this one's just taller, Tay. There's two sizes, like the green one, which is smaller, and the blue one, which is taller. Okay, I actually lied. There's more than two sizes. There's a red one, green, blue, and black. The black and the blue don't look that different, but I would say that one's a little bit longer, the black one, because the red one is the shortest and it's like going around this way. This is the first hole in the gingerbread village, this cute little house with Tay ruining my shot. Yeah, it looks like the hole is up there, I think, with the markers. Oh no, because there's one over there as well. I don't understand. It's okay, I'm sure.
One, and the one that they just put
is hole 2. It's okay, listen, I'm sure once we get up there we'll be able to see where the hole is.
It's my first time filming. What?
Like, there's no like marker on the ground where the hole is supposed to be.
I guess we can go now.
Okay. This is very hard to do for that.
I was gonna ask if there were like lockers or something, but I'm not sure.
You can just stick on it.
Okay. Oh my goodness. But why are you actually good?
No, I know. Here she goes. It's okay. We won't count that. She went out of bounds. It's okay, she's a bit out of practice. Oh, is this it? Wait, which one is, what's the difference? Wait, let me look at the book. Maybe it tells you in the book.
They're color coordinated.
I understand. No, because there's no green one. We're confused. We're a bit confused. Okay, because we're stupid, we did not see this. There's like 3 holes for each like round, and the red one is beginner, blue is intermediate, and black, I'm colorblind, is advanced. So maybe which one should we aim for?
Oh, I'm definitely doing beginner.
Okay, maybe I'll try intermediate then. If not, then I'll just aim for whatever I want to aim for.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a 6 like hit limit.
Oh shit. Oh no.
Okay, whatever. Okay, no one's behind us. We're gonna do what we want. Yay, she got it in on her 6th try. That means she passes. There's a pen. Okay, listen, I'm holding too much stuff.
No, I know. Give me my bag.
And now I'm like panicking.
No. Take your time. They can wait.
How am I supposed to get back up there?
Look, you can. Oh. Four.
Okay, so this one, there's like, you can go 2 different ways. Down she goes. Which one are you aiming for again? Oh, the red one, right? Oh, it fell. It went out. It went over the other side. She's lost her golf ball. No, it went like over here.
Where's over here? Oh, there it is.
Oh, that was really good.
Where did it? Oh, there it is.
Oh, bro, I would have been so shocked. This is the 3rd hole. We have to make it all the way up the hill the first time round. I think we found the markers, the red things. That was just not on the first one for whatever reason. But yeah, we think we're gonna have some difficulty with this one. Also, look at the weather. It's about to like pour down at some point. And there's like so many people here. What are we gonna do?
I think she's lost this one.
Listen,
I'm feeling spiteful.
I think only like the real professionals use their shoes to play putt putt. At least it's not hot anymore, but go bestie.
Oh!
Okay, you know, I'm just gonna put it back on the course over there.
Okay.
Okay, well that's where my ball landed, but I'm just gonna place it gently back on the course after Tay's done. Go, Tay! I probably should have grabbed that. No, I don't think it rolled down. It's fine. No, it's right there. No.
I honestly actually don't even know. I'm just gonna say yes.
Here she goes.
Are you kidding me, y'all?
Let's go, Tay. Let's go. I will say though, now that the like overcast has kicked in, it's quite windy and nice. It's not blazing hot anymore. Did we both get 4? Here's the next one. I love all the Christmas decorations. It's so cute. Such a nice vibe in here. I wonder what it looks like during like regular time. Like I wonder what kind of decorations they have. Or maybe they don't have any. Maybe they just take it down. I don't even know if they have Putt Putt on at the other times of the year. I don't know.
No. Very close, but
that was very close. You're very close. I think you'll win this one because I think you'll only take one shot, but mine will be like 2. No, but I'm close to the black one. The blue one is over here.
Okay.
2. I don't know how I'm gonna manage though. And now I'm gonna hit it all the way back to the beginning. I can see it already. I am Raven. Look at this Santa. Oh my god, he's chillaxing. We love to see it.
Will she make it?
Oh!
No way! Where did that? Okay. I mean, I don't even know where the red one is.
No, oh, it's near where I put mine. Like it's down towards the right at the bottom.
I just felt a raindrop.
Yeah, no, I had a raindrop come on my nose as well just then. We're gonna get in the rain. Oh no. It's about to absolutely pour. Oh my god, no, it's absolutely pouring. But anyways, mine was a hole-in-one into the red one. I just wanted everyone to know. Oh no! No. We have all taken shelter. Golf has been postponed. When we came here, I was like, the shower shouldn't last too long, but the skies are looking pretty grey now, more than they were when we were on our way over. The course is so soggy now. I don't think even if the rain passes that we're gonna be getting back to it. I think it's just gonna be all too wet.